This tools of the trade here. This is Kool-IT. All right, welcome back to Winch Outdoors. I got my buddy Rob here. He's brought in his Buick. He wants to get a lift kit. We're gonna look it over today and see what we're gonna do about it. All right. There she is. We got her jacked up on this one side. I'm gonna take a look and see what kind of suspension we're working with. And one thing that's important to Rob and his family, his budding new family, is air conditioning. So we're gonna make sure the AC is working. The evaporator might be leaking into the floorboard, so we're gonna take a look at that too. Okay. We're gonna get that wheel off. I'm an old man. I need a seat. Let's see what we're working with here. All right, I'm ready for NASCAR. Well, yep. We're gonna need some spacer blocks, and that's it. That's all we're gonna need. Just some spacer blocks. We'll be good to go. This is gonna be easy to lift. All right. Oh, you know what? I went to go get my flashlight because I have a really nice pin light, streamlight pin light flashlight. The mechanics will know. There's a really good flashlight. It's in the door of that K5 Blazer. Yeah, I dropped it in that door. It's got a good pry bar, one of my screwdrivers, and my pin lights inside. So, anyway, that's annoying. But I do have this light. This one's all right. Let's see here. How hot is this exhaust? Scalding? Like the
scalding.
Like,
just
surface of the sun?
Yeah, just turned it off. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it's pretty hot. Pretty hot. The access is not very good. I think what we need is a tool. Okay. Cut the video.
All right.
It's like, I just got a clump of mud out. I think you need that spray I was telling you about, dude. All right, so we went up to the local auto parts store and we got this this tools of the trade here. This is Kool-IT evaporator and heater foam cleaner. Now they use this to make mess, so they keep it behind the counter. You got to ask for it. No, I think it's because they huff it. I'm really not sure, but it's there. You just got to ask. It's not on the shelf, but we got some. We're going to use this product and this pick and that tape, and we're going to clean out the AC, so it smells like a virgin, like a fresh virgin snow in Vermont with two lovers. Let's see here. Okay. So, peekaboo. Way back there, you see that thing that looks like the ground slug out of Trimmers with a duckbill platypus mouth dripping? Well, that's the AC drain. We're gonna squirt it full of cleaner. We're going to let me see what we got here. All right. So first, whoa, that's not the way you do it. That's not the preferred method. We're not going to do that again. That was bad. First, we're going to tape it to our vessel, to our carrier. Uh-oh. This is going to be how we do this. All right, get this guy taped up. Make sure we can get it down there. And in the duckbill platypus we go. Okay, we found it. We're feeding it in. Oh, I got it. Take it. She took it. Don't you can't quite get it in as far as I'd like, you know? Did you hear that?
I heard that.
Okay, don't make any jokes. This is a family channel. You know, sometimes you just have to do it twice. And if that don't work, do it thrice. So really zoom in close so you can see on my hands, you know, that first ape that figured out how to, you know, construct a tool, he showed his buddies, he was really doing something, you know. They were impressed. And I'm banking on you to be impressed too. See? Now that's a tool. Custom. I'm actually glad that I couldn't get it in place before, because now it's even better in place than I could have ever imagined, Rob. It's like, you know, it makes it all worth it, the struggle, you know? It's like the universe knew, hey, don't make this easy.
Yeah.
You don't have the right tool yet.
You're not there yet.
Wait till he figures it out. He's just a dumb monkey. I got it.
Sounds of success.
That click means I got something right in life. Oh, you sorry! I overzealously zipped my zipper, and now I'm paying the price. But you know what? That feeling of satisfaction of doing a job well done, it was so good. I can't wait to feel it again. Can't wait to feel that feeling again. It'll be glorious. Someday. Okay. I think it's in place. Let's give her the old squirt. Oh, it's coming out. It's not really working out for me. It's just spraying out the back. Those guys on that other YouTube channel made this look pretty easy. Well, the can's empty. So, I think we did it. Stay tuned for the results. Good morning. We're back here with the K5 Blazer. We had some luck and some help getting the front door open. We finally got the front door unlocked, and the way we did it, and I say we because I did have some help from my uncle. He's a gossipy little cuss, but he is pretty good with these old trucks. So, you know, you take what you can get. But we were able to take the fender off and access the bolts to the hinge and just take the door right off by the hinges. And that's how we ultimately were able to get inside and get the latch and lock replaced. Now that we've got that done, we can move on to all the other little things that basically we didn't finish because of that. So we're gonna get started. Got a lot of little things to do.